Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this inequality by using a little trick, which I like to call fake term. Okay, so I'm going to introduce fake terms. Okay, so what is it all about? Right, so if I were to show that this inequality is true for all real values of x, then I would probably expect to get something like this, right? So something in this form, maybe I will have x minus a positive even power plus another positive constant. Okay, so, or maybe I could have something like this plus maybe another term plus a positive constant, right? So I would aim to get either of these two forms. Okay, of course, in general, I wanted to get something squared plus a positive constant, right? So to show that this is true. Okay, so how can I go about doing that? Right, so right now, I can't really factorize this, okay? And I mean, the first thing that came into my mind is to complete the square, right? So how do I complete the square when the expression looks like this? Okay, so this is where I'm going to introduce the so-called fake terms. Okay, so what are the fake terms? Okay, I'm going to introduce a negative 2x squared. Okay, maybe I'll write the fake terms in another color, right? So let's say I write it in red. Okay, so in red, I'm going to introduce negative 2x squared. Okay, and then this would be plus 1. I'm going to split the 5 into two constant terms. Okay, plus 2x squared. Okay, so notice when I introduce this fixed term, negative 2x squared, I need to introduce another positive 2x squared to neutralize that, right? Otherwise, I'm changing the whole question. Okay, okay, so I have another plus 2x squared and then minus 4x plus 4 greater than 0. Okay, so take note that this 1 and this 4 makes up 5, right? Okay, so that's the idea. So now I have these 3 terms, 6 terms altogether, in fact. I'm going to try to complete the square here, right? So if I were to complete the square for this guy, I'm going to get x squared minus 1. Okay, close it up. Okay, so, well, technically, this settles x4 minus 2x squared plus 1, right? Because they are equivalent. Okay, so let's deal with the 2x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so I'll factorize out the 2, and this will be x squared minus 2x, close it up, plus 4 greater than 0. Okay, I'm going to complete the square for this one. Okay, so I'm going to complete the square for this one. So this is x squared minus 1 squared plus 2. Okay, so completing the square, I'll get x minus 1 squared minus 1 squared plus 4 greater than 0. Okay, so let's see what we will have. X squared minus 1 squared plus 2 times x minus 1 squared. This is minus 2 plus 4, which is plus 2. Okay, so this is exactly what I wanted, right? Because this term has to be greater or equals to 0, right? This term also has to be greater or equals to 0. Okay, so these two terms, the minimum of these two terms is actually 0, right? The minimum of the sum of these two terms is 0. And if you add another positive constant here, definitely the entire expression would be greater than 0. Okay, so that's how it works. All right.